All right, so two words I have for this problem, which are momentum conservation. So basically, you have a particle at rest that decays into a particle at rest, decays into a particle. Let's call two particles. Let's call one 1 and the other 2. Okay, and this one has zero. At rest, so it has zero momentum. So momentum conservation states that initial momentum will be equal to final momentum. So initially is 0, finally it must be 0. So the magnitude of the momentum, so momentum of particle 1 will be equal to momentum of particle 2. And we know that the special relativistic treatment of momentum is given by equation 26-4.